Allison, thanks so much. Well, a major development in the case of the man accused of using his car as a weapon to run over a Hamilton County deputy.
So prosecutors have now agreed that Rodney Hinton Jr. has a serious mental health illness. That now opens the door for the possibility that Hinton will not be facing the death penalty after all. WLWT News 5's Brian Hemrick was in the courtroom for us today and has more from that hearing. Hi, Brian.
Yeah, Cherie, well, the consequences are literally life and death. Now, both the prosecution and the defense agree on one thing, and that is that Rodney Hinton Jr. has a serious mental health illness. And in Ohio, by law, if you have a serious mental health illness, or SMI, you cannot face the death penalty.
Wherein, based upon the findings and reports of the three experts, we believe the SMI issue has been proven by a preponderance of the evidence.
Yeah, that was the prosecution stipulating or agreeing that by law, Hinton should not be sentenced to death if convicted. The judge still has to sign off on this agreement. Either way, Hinton still faces a trial. If the agreement is accepted, he will be pleading not guilty by reason of insanity. The focus on his defense team at this point is to try to prove Hinton did not know what he was doing at the time of the crime. Now, the deputy's widow was in court today, too.
We've talked to Lori Henderson, who is the widow of the victim in this matter. We've spoken with her several times, as well as his adult children. While not totally in agreement, they understand the reasons for doing this.
Yeah, we got a statement from the Hamilton County prosecutor, Connie Pillage. Mr. Hinton deliberately killed an innocent man. Although the law prevents seeking the death penalty, my office will pursue the harshest sentence available, life without the possibility of parole. Now, Judge Judy Lubers is expected to determine if she will accept this agreement. That's coming up at a hearing on January 14th. Reporting live, Brian Hemrick, WLWT News 5.
Brian, I know we were talking about there were 3 separate mental evaluations. Did doctors agree that Hinton had a serious mental health illness, all 3 of those evaluations?
Yeah, Cherie, his defense attorney said that today, but they did release the results of one of those studies. The other 2, they presented in court today, but they have them under seal. Cherie?
All right, Brian Hemrick reporting live for us. Thanks for the update. I know so many people watching that case here locally. I appreciate it.